Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Porsche Cayenne generation from year 2002 to year 2010. If you guys have one of those, you want to see how to remove guys the dome light assembly right here, how you can do it, how you can remove it step by step, that way you don't break it guys, you don't crack it, because there are 4 hidden screws. Stay with us, we'll explain that step by step in this video today, absolutely free for your convenience. Before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car guys we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them guys completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Because our mission here at the shop guys is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a really good price and quick shipping. So let's start on it now. So we have guys the headliner removed right here. That's why we made a video for the dome light, because we'll be rebuilding it. We'll have a special video guys on the channel how to remove headliner. If you want to see it, check it out, it will talk about that. The dome light will be right here guys, but now let's explain what you have, okay, what holds that dome light, okay, and how you can easily remove it, because there is some, okay, hidden 4 hidden screws that you will need to remove. So we'll come inside that Porsche Cayenne now guys, okay. That will be for detail here, because we removed, okay, the headliner and everything is dirty. But if you look right here guys, if you have now the switch here for the sunroof, you may have a few extra steps, but it shouldn't differ much, because this one has the wire coming to it, but it's practically coming from the circuit board. So practically it should be the same even if you have or do not have sunroof guys. Here you're going to open your compartment for the sunglasses, and right there you're going to have 2 screws with Torx 25 that you need to remove. Those are 2 of the hidden screws. Then you guys have another 2 screws. You will try to pull it out, but you will break it, okay. And you're going to have the dome light right here. That dome light, you get a plastic panel remover too, you pull it out. It has only 2 clips, one here, one on the side, and once you remove them you get to the bulbs. Here guys you have 2 more screws. You need to remove these screws right here. The moment you remove them guys, okay, practically the dome light at that point, the only thing holding it is 1, 2, 3 here metal clips, then you have 4, 5 and 6. So that's how it comes out. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.